How to book a motorcycle on Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book a motorcycle on Grab. First of all, open up the Grab application. Once you get into its app, click to choose this location. Now from its homepage, click on All Options. Then from All Services, select the motorcycle option. After choosing a motorcycle as your ride, now select the location where you want to go. You can pick up your location directly from the map. Once you select your pickup and destination location, after selecting your location, you can choose different Grab options, as you can choose an economy ride or whichever are showing in for you. You can pick any ride you want, whether it's from economy or for you. After selecting the ride, click to book your ride. Also, check out our video on how to book a Grab car in advance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.